Welcome to YouTube. Today we are taking a detailed walk-around of the majestic 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, finished in a flawless, pure white color that perfectly highlights every sculpted line, every curve, and every luxurious detail of this incredible SUV's exterior. Even without stepping inside, this vehicle announces its presence with a quiet confidence and unmistakable grandeur. At the very front, the Cullinan Series 2 greets you with a bold and imposing stance. The iconic Pantheon grille, finished in polished stainless steel, stands proudly at the center, gleaming brilliantly against the crisp white body. Above the grille, the Spirit of Ecstasy mascot emerges gracefully, instantly signaling the unmistakable heritage of the Rolls-Royce marque. Flanking the signature front are new, slimmer LED matrix headlights, sharply contoured to provide a more focused and contemporary look. These lights feature an intricate daytime running signature that gives the Cullinan a modern yet timeless identity, whether it's moving or standing still. The front bumper design has been subtly refreshed, with cleaner lines and precision-sculpted intakes that add both elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. A satin silver skid plate sits quietly beneath, suggesting capability while maintaining grace. Moving along the side, the sheer size and presence of the Cullinan Series 2 are undeniable. The long, uninterrupted character line runs gracefully from the front fender to the rear, emphasizing the SUV's commanding proportions. The white paint reflects light softly but luxuriously, bringing out the sculpted contours along the doors and wheel arches. The signature coach doors, also known as suicide doors, are seamlessly integrated, their handles finished in gleaming chrome, adding another touch of refined detail. The vehicle sits confidently on massive, 23-inch polished alloy wheels with a unique multi-spoke design. These wheels, proudly featuring the floating Rolls-Royce center caps that remain perfectly upright even while driving, contribute to the car's opulent road presence. Black accents around the windows and lower door panels create a gentle contrast, enhancing the depth and elegance of the white finish. At the rear, the Cullinan Series 2 maintains its regal posture. The squared-off rear end features newly styled LED tail lights, slim and modern yet unmistakably Rolls-Royce in design. A subtle roof spoiler crowns the top, while the lower bumper integrates cleanly with chrome exhaust outlets, adding just a hint of sportiness without compromising the SUV's stately demeanor. From every angle, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 in this white finish exudes unmatched luxury, strength, and presence, an SUV that commands the road simply by being there. Stay tuned for more stunning automotive showcases, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed walkarounds. See you in the next video.